Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a clickable phone number on your WordPress website. So stay tuned. So a clickable phone number just means that the user can just click on the phone number and just make a call. If he is on a mobile device, you can directly call from his phone. So it's a nice feature to have on a website. So let me show you how you can do it. The first thing you want to do is go onto your WordPress dashboard and go onto your pages. So just select the page you want to add your phone number to. So in my case, I would like to add my number to this page. So if you're building it with a theme builder, let me show you first how you can do it on theme builder. So just click I use Elementor. So I'm going to click edit Elementor. So let it load. So I already have a phone number on this page. So for you guys, I'm gonna just delete this button and I'm gonna add a new button and make it clickable. So I'm just gonna do that. So to add a clickable number, just go on. So in my case, I would like to add it as a button. So I just drag in a button. You can do it as a text. So it's totally fine. I'll show you how. So in my case, it's a button. So I'll just go and copy this formatting because I don't want the button to look ugly. So I'm just gonna paste that. I'm sorry. Delete. Yeah. Well, let me align it. Okay. So first of all, I like to change this to my numbers. I'm just going to 203, 204, 3793. And okay. So I've shown my button. So to make it clickable, you just need to add this piece of code to your button. So in Elementor, you can just go to this link section or anything builder. You can just go to the link or where you add the link section. So just put this piece of code TEL 203 204 3793. I hope that number is right. Yeah, that's right. And there you go. That's it. That's how you can make a clickable phone number. So I'm just gonna update it. I'm just gonna show you if this works. So I'm just gonna go select that page. So this is the page that we just edited. So if I click on this button, you can see it asks me to make a call. Since I am on a desktop, it won't. If you were on a mobile device, it will directly go into your call pad or dialer pad, anything. So if you don't have a theme builder, I'll show you how to do it inside the WordPress dashboard. So let me just go into the dashboard. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a new page. I really don't want to mess up my site because it's the real site. So I'm just gonna name this page phone number. So you can select any page you want. And for those who are not using a theme builder, you will have this interface. You can just go in. Okay, mine will be different than yours because I use a classic builder for this. I don't use the updated one. I don't like it. So mine will be different, but the process is same. So I can just go here. I can just add the numbers 203 204 3793. Oops, sorry. And to make this clickable, you just want to select that number and click on link. And the same thing, just add the code I showed you before. So 203 204 3793. Just add it. So that's done. That button is clickable. Let me show you. If I hit preview, if I click this, there you go. You have a clickable phone number. So if you found this video useful, like this video, and if you want to know more about WordPress, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.